Hello student, this is the Sangeeta Mansukhani. Today I will be explain long answer type question. This is related to the revision for yearly examinations. So see this question. Complete the below reaction. CH triple bond CH plus hydrogenation in the presence of the nickel and 523 to 573 Kelvin. So which product is formed? So see, this triple bond is break and both of side hydrogen are attached. Okay, so which is C, first double bond is break, so one hydrogen attached, second double bond break, so two hydrogen are attached. So triple bond convert into the single bond and both of side two hydrogen are attached. So CS3 and CS3. Okay, next one is CS3C triple bond CH plus 2H2O and in the presence of the palladium or platinum or Rene nickel and heat. So again same as it is, triple bond is convert into the single bond. So this side 3 hydrogen are attached and this side 1 hydrogen are attached. Okay, 2 hydrogen are attached. So CS3 CS2 double single bond CS3. Okay, this product are formed. CS3 CS2 CS3 propane are formed. Then third is 1 chlorobutane plus hydrogen and in the presence of the zinc and H plus. So in the presence of the zinc and H plus, so CS3 CS2 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 Cl, one first carbon attached with the Cl. So 1 chloro 4 carbon 1 2 3 4 carbon, so 1 chlorobutane. So hydrogenation in the presence of the zinc and H plus. So which product are formed? So see, hydrogen this bond is break, one side hydrogen attached, another side hydrogen are attached. So this hydrogen attached this carbon, so CS3 CS2 CS2 CS3 and plus HCl are formed. Next fourth is, this is not a sixth, it is a fourth. Okay, CS3 CS2 CS2 CS3 butane in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3 and then HCl and heat. So which product are formed? So C, N-butane, CS3 CS2 CS2 CS3 anhydrous AlCl3 and HCl and heat. So in the presence of this catalyst AlCl3, isomers are formed. Okay, so this is N-butane and then one methyl group attached here. So two methyl group attached with the one carbon. So isomer are formed. Same carbon, number of the hydrogen atom also similar. Here you see 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 10. Here 3, 6, 9, 10. 10 hydrogen complete and 4 carbon. Okay, so butane and butane convert into the 2-methyl propane. And 2 methyl group attached with the one carbon. So its common name is iso. And total carbon 4, isobutane. Okay, so N-butane convert into the isomer chain in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3 and then HCl and heat. Okay, so in this question complete the below reaction, that is means which product are formed. Okay, so how to find? Directly see this which is reactant react and which catalyst we use. Okay, next question is write IUPAC name of the following compounds. So C, CS3CH double bond CCS3 whole 2. CS3CH double bond CCS3 whole 2. So first we open the chain. Okay, here a single way CS3CH double bond C, but here CS3 whole 2. So first open the structure. C, first open the structure, open CS3 and then for the nomenclature first select the longest chain. So 1 2 3 4. From this side given the numbering, reason because substitute group nearer and then after second number double bond. Okay, clear? So numbering given 1 2 3 4, second number methyl group, so 2 methyl. Total carbon in chain 4 carbon, so but. After second number double bond, so 2 in. Okay, so 2 methyl but 2 in. Clear? Then second B example, CS2 double bond CH, C triple bond CCS3. Okay, CS2 double bond CH, C triple bond CS3. So numbering given here double bond and here triple bond and first after carbon double bond. So preference given from this side 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, after first number double bond, so suffix for double bond in. After third carbon triple bond, so suffix for triple bond ein. Total carbon 5, so pant 1 in and 3 ein. Pant 1 in 3 ein. Clear? Then see this example bond line given. Okay, so first you write as it is this way. Okay, open the structure. So here carbon, 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 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After first number double bond and third number double bond. So first number double bond, third number double bond. Right? And then balance the hydrogen. So here 2 double bond. So 2 hydrogen. Here 1, and here 2. Okay. Then after select the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. After 1 and third double bond. So 1, 3 total carbon buta and 2 double bond. So diene. 1, 3 buta diene. Okay. Then D number. Benzene ring attached with the CH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After one number double bond. Okay, total carbon 4 and fourth number, this is the benzene ring attached, and as a substitute we write benzene phenyl. Okay, which group we write? Phenyl. Okay, this is the benzene, but whenever attach the chain, so it is considered as a phenyl group. So 4 phenyl, after one number double bond, total carbon 4 but. So 4 phenyl, total carbon 4 but, after one number in. So 4 phenyl, total carbon but 1 in. Then E. This is the benzene ring. First number OH and second number CH3. So 2 methyl and this is the benzene and benzene attached with the OH. So we say phenol. So 2 methyl phenol. Okay, 2 methyl phenol. Next example, CH3 CH2 whole 4, CH CH2 whole 3 CH3 and this CH attached with the CH2 CH CH3 whole 2. Okay, so first open the chain. So CH3 CH3, here how many CH2? 4. So first we write CH2 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then CH CH. Then CH2 whole 3. So CH2 CH2 CH2. Then CH3 CH3. Then after downside CH2 CH2. CH attached with the 2 CH3 2 CH3. Clear? First we select the chains. Okay, longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And fifth number, this is chain another also select. 1, 2, 3. And second number methyl group. And this group is attached with the fifth position. So first we write fifth. Fifth attached to methyl propyl because open the chain. So 2 methyl propyl and then total carbon in the longest chain 10. So dec and all are single bonds. So suffix for the single bond N. Okay, so 5 fifth 2 methyl propyl decane. Okay, so this is the name of this compound. Then next example, CH3 CH double bond CH, CH2 CH double bond CH, CH2H5, CH2 CH double bond CH2. First we select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fourth number ethyl group. So 4 ethyl, total carbon 10. So deca. 4 ethyl, total carbon 10 deca. After one number, after fifth number, after 8 number. So 4 ethyl, 1, 5, 8. Total 3 double bonds. So tri and suffix for double bond in. 4 ethyl, total carbon 10 deca and 1, 5, 8 after double bond. So tri in. Okay. Then 95 odd number question. Write following reactions. So first is ethine react with the chlorine, bromine, plus H2. So which product are formed? Okay, see the reaction answer. See, ethyne is CH triple bond CH. Okay, and reaction with the chlorine Cl2 and then water. Okay, so triple bond is break. So one side OH attached and one side Cl and one HCl out. Okay, so one side OH attached and one side Cl. Again Cl plus OH minus. So double bond convert into the single bond. So one side again OH attached and one side another side Cl. But this product is unstable. So water molecule out and for formation product is CHCl2 and here water molecule out. So only for remain is oxygen. So CHO. Okay, so this product are formed and this Cl2 attached with this carbon. Aldehyde carbon count as a first carbon. So 1 and 2 and second number 2Cl. So 2 dichloro and total carbon 2 ethane and aldehyde suffix is al, ethanal. So 2 dichloro ethanal. Okay, clear? Then second is hydration reaction of the 1-butane. Hydration reaction of the 1-butane. So 1-butane means 4 carbon but and after first number triple bond. So this is the 1-butane. Hydration, that is means reaction with water. So whenever reaction with the water, so triple bond convert into the double bond. One side attached carbon attached OH and this has CH attached with the CS2. Rearrangement. Okay, so water molecule out and then CS3 CS2 and CO CS3. This hydrogen going to this way. This double bond this way carbon. So CS3 CS2 C double bond O and this hydrogen going to the CS2 to CS3. Okay, clear? Third one is reaction of the acetylene with the HCN. Acetylene with the HCN. Acetylene means ethyne. Okay, what is the acetylene? Ethyne. So CH triple bond CH and react with the HCN, hydrogen cyanide, in the presence of the barium cyanide. So triple bond is break in the double bond. One side hydrogen are attached, so CH2 and another side cyanide. So CH2 double bond CHCN. Okay, its name is acrylonitrile. Okay, and both of carbon between the double bond are attached CN double bond carbon. So its name is common name is vinyl cyanide. Okay, vinyl cyanide. Next fourth is hydrogenation of the ethyne in presence of the Lindlar catalyst palladium and barium sulfate. Okay, so hydrogenation of the ethyne in the presence of the palladium and barium sulfate. This catalyst is Lindlar catalyst. So triple bond is break is the double bond and both of side hydrogen are attached. So ethyne convert into the ethane. Clear? Then next is fifth number, complete combustion of the ethyne in the presence of the air. So ethyne is CH triple bond CH and combustion in the presence of the air. Air means required oxygen. So ethyne always react by the 5/2 O2 and convert into the CO2 and the water and energy release 1300 kilojoule. 1300 kilojoule. So this is the complete combustion of the ethyne in the presence of the air. Next sixth is reaction of the propyne with the alkaline KMnO. KMnO4 is oxidizing agent. Okay, so oxidizing agent is given the nascent oxygen. So here you see propyne we take CH3 C triple bond CH, KMnO4 in the presence, so oxidizing. So both of carbon attached with the oxygen. So CH3CO triple bond convert into the single bond and CO and this CH attached with the 2 hydrogen. So which is obtained is because KMnO4 given the nascent oxygen and then water also added. Okay, so both of carbon attached with the oxygen and CH attached with the hydrogen. So which acid are formed? Pyruvic acid. So propyne convert into the pyruvic acid. And if temperature difference we taken, so 300 Kelvin pyruvic acid form and 380 Kelvin temperature we take, so CH3COOH and carbon dioxide gas release. So which acid are formed? Ethanoic acid. Okay, CH3COOH. So propyne convert into the pyruvic acid and ethanoic acid. Last one is ozonolysis of the ethine. So ethine, CH triple bond CH, reaction with the ozone. Ozone is O3. Ozone react with the ethine, triple bond convert into the single bond, and upper side and down side 3 O attach this way. This shape is hut shape and it is also called ozonide. And in the last way, zinc and water in the presence, this bond is break this way. Zinc react with the oxygen and ZnO remove, and one side CHO, another side CHO. This product is formed and its name is glycosol. Okay, glycosol. Clear? So ethine, ozonolysis of the ethine, formation glyoxyl. Okay, clear? Okay. So all long answer type question I completely revised. Okay.